the view.
You do?
Yes.
You're my best view.
Yeah, I like the view. I like the view.
Hi Nail Fam, I hope that you are well. So Savalon was kind enough to send me over some packages. I received 2 small gel polishes and I also received their nail glue kit, which I'm really excited to try. So these 2 are some French gel polishes and it's very exciting because they are angled brushes. I'm going to show you those momentarily, but let's get into this nail glue kit. So the first thing that I pull out here is some long full covered coffin shaped nails, which is really nice. I love coffin. Actually, I prefer square, but I love coffins as well. And we have 240 pieces in there. And then, oh, so we have 2 packs of nails. So this one is an almond. I don't think I've ever wore almond before, and that's 240 pieces as well, but we're going to test those out. Also included is a nail clipper or a nail cutter, and then we have a 180 file as well as a buffer, which is a nice touch to have. And then also there is a mini UV LED lamp inside here, and also the star of the show, which is their nail glue, which I've never tried before. So I'm really excited that they reached out and said they wanted to send this over for me to review. So included in this nail gel kit is a pamphlet giving you instructions on how to use the product. Now, you might be asking yourself, what is the nail gel kit? Well, this is a nail extend glue kit, and you might be familiar with Apres, which is probably one of the first persons to come out with this kind of product. So now we see these all over the places, and they're all over Amazon, and you can actually pick this package up. You can actually pick this kit up from Amazon as well. So looking at the glue here, it's definitely on the medium side. I have previously used other nail glue, and some of them are medium, some of them are a little bit thick, and this one definitely on the thin to medium side, which is nice. Here is the UV LED lamp with their nice, beautiful logo on top of it. Looks really nice. And then this is the USB cord that you would need, and then there is a power button. Some UV LED lamps turn on and then they turn off by themselves automatically. But this one, you can actually turn this off once you are done, and I really like that. So I just wanted to quickly plug this in just to give you a quick demo. I was inserting the plug the wrong way. It was a little bit tight getting this plug in, and I thought I might have, damaged it a little bit. But nonetheless, it did go in okay. I mean, yeah, I have a USB plug next to my desk, and there you go. This is really bright. And I put my finger under there for like a split second, and it was really warm as well. So I just wanted to show you the box. It's 16 watt, quite a powerful little lamp, I will say. All right. Now let's check out these nail tips. So we can see here for the almonds, which I maybe worn once. I don't gravitate towards the almonds, but you never know. One day I might. They're just, short. Hello. All right, so we seem to have 0 through maybe 9 or 10, and they are on the thinner side, which is nice, which means you're going to get a more flush look to your natural nail. And for my alien thumb, they do seem to fit okay. They're not 100% from sidewall to sidewall, so if you have a larger thumb than normal, definitely know that these may not fit. But all the other ones, I'm pretty sure they fit okay. It's just the thumb that I have issues with. Now let's move on to the coffin, the full cover coffin, and these are long, so I like that. And we seem to have sizes 1 through 10. I don't think I see a 0. Like with the almonds, it was 0 to 9, and I guess this one is like 1 to 10. Yeah, so the largest number I see here is a 10. All right, so now let's test out my thumb. So I'm going to grab the thumb number 1, and we're just going to test it out on my thumb. I just wanted to quickly show you that if you have a large thumb, dun 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 dun, this actually fits sidewall to sidewall. So I'm very happy about that. So that's the one that we're going to be using for today's video. All right, now let's get into these 2 new products. And I don't think I've seen this product before. I could be wrong. But what's so unique about these 2 French gel polishes from Savalon is that they are included with an angled brush. Most gel polish brushes are just pretty flat to allow it to cover the entire nail. But these ones are specifically for you to be able to do French. And Savalon has come out with a white, and they've also come out with a black. For today's video, I will be using the white to show you how you can achieve a really simple and easy French tip. Look at that angled brush. That's going to make your life so much easier. And I do hope that they do come up with more colors so that we are all able to do multicolored Frenches on our nails. So they do come with an information pamphlet telling you how to use the products, directions, how long to cure, and all that stuff. And you know what? These are so pigmented. I'm going to show you the white in a minute. Here is the black, very beautiful black, and it also has an angled brush as well. Okay, now let's get started by applying these nails. And first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to take my nail drill and etch the inside of the nail that I'm going to be adhering to my natural nail. I'm going to flip this nail over, and I'm also going to file around that cuticle area just to make sure it is nice and thin so that when I apply this to my nail, it's going to be very seamless and you're not going to be able to see that these are actually press on. So here's how that is looking. Once I have all of the nails filed, I will go in with a little bit of primer to add a little bit of chemical etching to these nails as well. And now we're going to test out Savalon's nail glue. And like I said, it's going on really thin, really nicely. It's not too thick. There's no like really strong odor or anything like that. And now we're just going to apply it to the nail. What you want to do when you're applying your nails is definitely to turn on your UV lamp first, position your nail, straighten it up, make sure that there's no seeping to the sides or anything like that. Allow the glue to go all the way to the free edge, and then you will cure it under your UV lamp for like 15 seconds. And guys, it was just so easy and so perfect. I did not have any glue seep to the side, as I've experienced with other thicker nail glue. It dried really fast and it just looks absolutely seamless. This is definitely my new favorite nail glue to use. I recommend this for thinner nails, or if you have like a flatter nail bed like myself. If you're using more curved nails, you know the 3XLs that I get from AliExpress, they have like an arch to them. I would definitely recommend a thicker extend gel for those ones because you need that thickness to fill in the space. But definitely for if you're using flatter nails, Savalon's, this is really good, guys. And this lamp, really good. Highly recommend. This was a great product. So now that I have the nails on and I've cut them down to the size that I want, I go ahead and I file and buff and give them a little bit of shaping up. I'm now going to take some base gel, apply it over my entire nail, give that a cure under the UV lamp for 30 seconds. I'm going in with this milky kind of pearlescent gel polish all over the nail. I will go in with 2 layers of this as well. Give it a cure under my UV lamp for 30 seconds each coat. Once I have both of the coats onto the nail, I'm now ready to try out the Savalon French gel polish. And we're just going to do a French onto this nail. So this is actually going to be a French white, but instead of a pink and white French, it's actually going to be a milky white French. And guys, 1 coat is all that I needed for this. This was definitely highly pigmented and it was very easy. The strokes was easy. All you have to do is take your time and line up your lines. And if you feel like you just want to clean up your lines a little bit, you can always just use another brush and kind of clean up the lines and bring that French all the way up to the cuticle area if you'd like. This was a very easy product. 10 out of 10, highly recommend. Easy peasy lemon squeezy. All right, so we gave that a cure under the UV lamp for a full 60 seconds. Now I'm just going to add a little bit of flowers, a little bit of gold flakes, just because When I do short nails, I always feel like it just needs to be aesthetic. Like you can't put big charms and big bling and too much stuff onto short nails. So I'm just keeping it very simple by applying a little bit of stickers, a little bit of gold flakes. Once I have them on, I will give them some top coat onto the nail and then give it a full cure for a final 60 seconds. And don't forget, once you're done curing and your nail design is done, be sure to grab a 100-180 file and file around those sides as well as the free edge, just to make sure you have some nice, crispy, clean lines, all right? I'm now done with my thumb. I just wanted to show you the quick nail design. Now we're just going to breeze through the other fingers. I'll be quiet and let you watch me, and then I'll be right back towards the end. All right, so I finished off the French on the ring finger, and I'm only going to do a white French on there. And for the other remaining fingers, I'm just really going to go in with a few gold flakes. We're going to put that onto the tacky layer of this gel polish, apply some top coat to all of the nails, and then give them a final cure under the UV lamp for a full 60 seconds. Once you're done, definitely apply some cuticle oil. Here's the final look of these very simple and easy nails. Again, a huge thank you to Savalon for sending these products over for me to review. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.